So this is what a walkthrough looks like. You hear people talk about final walkthrough. That's what we're doing right now. So we made some requests for the seller to do. One of them was replace glass over here. And so we can tell because these were fogged before and there were no screens, and then we have a receipt. So we know who did it, and we just check over the job. And I mean, if you have any problems, you would contact these guys. But yeah, all right. Item 1, check. Electrician to make outlets and kitchen GFCI. Now that receipt was in the email, and I already sent it to the buyer. But we can also see that here are the old ones, and here's the new ones. I thought there were under counter lights. No, you can get under counter lights. That would be nice. And I do know that this was an issue. Oh, we still have a slow thing. So that needs to be fixed before we close. That's why we do these final walkthroughs. And we're actually doing it almost a week early. So yeah, that definitely needs to be taken care of still. So we'll make that on the list. Secure the dishwasher. So I think they did that because, well, no, they didn't. They didn't do that either. Because that, you still can move that. You're not supposed to be able to do that. And that happens when you put in a new countertop. Okay, so the dryer, we had the dryer, the outlet vent wasn't connected to, the vent wasn't connected to the outside. So I can see that it has been. You can probably go up higher and see. So yeah, it has been. That's all been connected. And then these doors weren't, I don't think these doors were functioning properly, and now they are. That was on our list. Boy, that was it. And then other than that, we just make sure nothing has changed since the last time we were in here. You know, there's no new damage, you know, nothing was caused when things were moved out, you know, any damage caused during the move out. And that's all we do. So right now, we just need to go back. I need to tell the seller's agent that sink and the dishwasher, 2 things that were missed, and they need to have somebody over here and fix those things. That would be it. So start another one.